Hello everyone. Today we will see how to update the firmware of tplink Archer C24 router. So of course you have to power on the router, and if the router is already connected, you just have to connect the internet cable to your PC on the LAN port, not the on port, because it is already connected. Now switch to PC or your smartphone screen. Open cmd or command prompt, type cmd. Now type ipconfig and press enter. You'll see the default gateway. You can also do this from your phone browser using the same gateway, but it is better to use LAN port method. Now open any browser and enter the router login page using this gateway. Now enter the dashboard using your password. If you have to reset or are in a new state, you will need to configure it first. Now click login, and this is our dashboard. Click advanced and click system. Click firmware upgrade, and this is our router information. As you can see, my router hardware version is 2.0, so I definitely need to download the same version of the firmware, not the other one. So click the exact version, and now click firmware. Now download the latest version. This link will be given in this video description. Now click download the latest version. After download, click open. Now I need to extract the bin file somewhere in your PC, not the PDF file. So I extract the desktop. Now switch back to the router page. Now click browse and select your exact bin file. Click open and click upgrade. Click upgrade again. Now it will start the upgrading. During firmware update, do not unplug or power off your router. It will permanently break your router, so be careful when upgrading the firmware. Wait a little bit. As you can see, our router has been updated. Now enter the same password again and click login. Now click advanced and system, firmware update. Now here you can see the latest information about the router. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.